In an ever-changing world filled with challenges and uncertainties, cultivating resilience and inner strength can empower you to navigate life without being easily swayed by external factors. Here are 10 principles to adopt that can help you maintain your equilibrium, ensuring that nothing can affect you adversely. 1. Self-awareness. Understanding yourself, your thoughts, emotions, and triggers is the foundation of resilience. Regular self-reflection helps you identify what affects you and why. Practice mindfulness or journaling to enhance your self-awareness, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than react emotionally to situations. 2. Emotional regulation. Developing the ability to manage your emotions is crucial. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or cognitive reframing can help you stay calm in the face of adversity. By mastering your emotional responses, you prevent external circumstances from having a strong hold on your mental state. 3. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries with others to protect your mental and emotional space. This could mean saying no to demands that drain your energy, or limiting time spent with negative influences. Healthy boundaries empower you to prioritize your well-being and maintain focus on what truly matters. 4. Positive mindset. Cultivating a positive attitude can dramatically influence how you perceive and respond to life's challenges. Practice gratitude by regularly acknowledging the good in your life. A positive mindset allows you to see obstacles as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable problems. 5. Adaptability. Embrace change and be open to new experiences. Flexibility in your mindset enables you to navigate uncertainties with ease. When you recognize that change is a natural part of life, you become less affected by unexpected events and more capable of finding solutions. 6. Focus on solutions instead of dwelling on problems. Shift your attention to finding solutions. This proactive approach encourages a sense of agency and control over your circumstances. When faced with challenges, ask yourself, what can I do to improve this situation? This mindset helps you remain empowered rather than feeling victimized. 7. Cultivate inner peace. Engage in practices that promote inner peace, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. These activities help you reconnect with your inner self and create a sense of calm that can shield you from external turmoil. A peaceful mind is less likely to be disturbed by outside influences. 8. Build a support network. Surround yourself with supportive, positive individuals who uplift you. A strong support network can provide encouragement during tough times and help you maintain perspective. Share your experiences with those who understand, and lean on them when you need reassurance or guidance. 9. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially during difficult times. Recognize that everyone faces challenges and that it's okay to feel vulnerable. Practicing self-compassion allows you to treat yourself with the same understanding and care you would offer a friend, minimizing feelings of inadequacy and external judgment. 10. Live in the present. Focus on the present moment rather than worrying about the past or future. Engaging in mindfulness practices can help you cultivate this awareness. When you concentrate on the here and now, you lessen the impact of external stressors and enhance your overall well-being. Conclusion. By incorporating these 10 principles into your daily life, you can create a robust foundation that protects you from being easily impacted by external circumstances. Resilience, self-awareness, and emotional regulation are key components in fostering a mindset that allows you to thrive, regardless of life's ups and downs. Embrace these principles, and you'll find that nothing can affect your inner peace and strength.